Alright guys, in this video we're going to jailbreak the PS4 on the latest firmware, step by step. First things first, make sure your PS4 is connected to the network. Once that's done, open up the internet browser, type in the link, and hit go. Now you'll see the PS4 jailbreak exploit page. Scroll down until you spot PS4 12.50 jailbreak and click on GoldHen v12.50. Scroll down again and hit the exploit Go to Host button. At this point, you'll see it say processing jailbreak, just let it do its thing. Next, you'll need a modded USB with the jailbreak file. Simply copy the file to your USB. Plug it into your PS4, and when the message pops up, click on the PS4 exploit. Boom, your PS4 is now jailbroken, and as you can see, GoldHen has loaded successfully. Head back to the main menu, and you'll notice all the GoldHen options are now available. From here, you can install games directly. Let's try one out. And yep, the game is running perfectly. So there you have it, the PS4 concept jailbreak in action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more awesome content.
Hey, Leo, I think we got a buyer for Diaz's merchandise. You gotta give him a ring, man. Set up the deal, you know?
Where are you now?
You okay, Leo? You sound kinda different.
Just tell me where you are.
Who the hell is this? Put Leo on, man.
Leo's gone away for a while. He left me in charge.
Screw you, man.